You know how AI keeps popping up everywhere, right? Well, Google just took it to a whole new level with their Gemini AI, and it's not just about your phone anymore. This AI is coming for your car, your watch, and your TV. Basically, your whole life is about to get a smart upgrade. But that's not all. Gemini is teaming up with Samsung Galaxy wearables. Apple just rolled out their own AI features called Apple Intelligence. And Microsoft, they're shaking things up behind the scenes with a huge restructure to double down on AI. It's like all the tech giants are racing to put AI in every device you own. So let's dive into what that actually means for you and me. Starting with Gemini, Google's really pushing to make AI a seamless part of everyday life. Imagine you're driving your car, but instead of fumbling with your phone or car system, Gemini is right there helping out. It can handle your texts, change the music, even remind you to stop for gas, all without you taking your eyes off the road. It's like having a super smart co-pilot who's always on call, but way less annoying. And the cool thing? Gemini isn't stopping at cars. It's also making a jump onto your wrist and into your ears, thanks to a partnership with Samsung. If you've got a Galaxy Watch or those Galaxy Buds, Gemini will help you stay connected while you're on the move. Think about going for a run and having your watch gently remind you about your next meeting or read your messages aloud without you needing to pull out your phone. It's all about keeping your day flowing smoothly without interruptions. It's like your personal assistant, but instead of being stuck on your phone, it's right there with you, wherever you go. Now, while Google is racing to cover all these devices, Apple isn't sitting still. They introduced a suite of AI features under the name Apple Intelligence, which feels more like a quiet revolution than a loud announcement. Apple's AI is all about working behind the scenes to make your devices smarter without you even noticing. For example, your iPhone or Mac might start suggesting playlists that fit your mood, or automatically sorting your photos based on who's in them. It's less about flashy AI that talks to you, and more about smart tech that just gets you and works effortlessly in the background. What's interesting is how these two giants take different routes. Google's Gemini is more in your face, actively helping you with tasks across multiple devices. Apple's AI, on the other hand, feels like a subtle helper, making your tech feel more intuitive and personalized. It's like comparing a helpful friend who's always texting you updates versus one who just knows what you need without you saying a word. And then there's Microsoft, who's taking a different approach altogether. They recently made a huge move by restructuring the company and laying off thousands of employees. A tough call, but the goal is clear: to invest heavily in AI development. They're throwing billions into building AI into everything from office apps to cloud services, trying to catch up and maybe even leapfrog the competition. Think of it like a sports team changing its lineup mid-season to focus on the star player. In this case, AI is that player. Microsoft's making it the center of their game plan, so you can expect smarter software and tools coming your way soon. If you step back, all of this shows one thing: AI isn't some distant future tech anymore. It's here, and these companies are scrambling to put it in every corner of your digital life. Whether you're driving, working out, binge-watching, or just chilling with your phone, AI wants to be there, helping you out without you having to think twice about it. By the way, if you're as hyped about this AI explosion as I am, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. There's a lot more coming down the pipeline, and I'll keep you updated with the latest and greatest. Back to Gemini. One of the most exciting parts is how it's transforming your TV experience. Google is pushing Gemini into smart TVs and even into Samsung's upcoming XR headset. Imagine sitting down after a long day and your TV already knows what you want to watch, queues up your favorite shows, or even gives you AI-powered highlights so you don't miss the best parts. It's like your TV becomes this super intuitive buddy who knows exactly what you're in the mood for. No more scrolling forever trying to pick something. The whole landscape is shifting fast. Google's multi-device Gemini strategy means AI will be a constant presence in your life, while Samsung's partnership ensures it reaches far beyond just phones. Apple's quieter, smarter integration keeps your tech feeling personal and easy. And Microsoft's aggressive bets make it clear this is the big showdown: who will own the AI future? And honestly, this is only the beginning. Remember how smartphones changed everything about communication and entertainment? AI is about to do the same, but on a much bigger scale. Pretty soon, it won't be, do I have AI? It'll be, which AI do I trust to run my life? So if you're curious about how your next car ride, workout, or TV binge might feel like having a personal assistant built right in, keep watching this space. AI is no longer just for geeks or tech enthusiasts. It's about to be part of everyday life for all of us. Thanks for sticking with me through all this AI excitement. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you won't miss out on what's coming next. Because trust me, the AI revolution is only getting started, and you'll want to be front and center.